In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record restaurant sales in QuickBooks Online. We're going to walk through a simple, repeatable way to enter your restaurant's daily sales, so your books stay clean and your deposits match what hits your bank. This method uses a single daily sales receipt, summarizing everything you sold for the day. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. From your dashboard, look for the button labeled Plus New at the top left or top center of the screen, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click that. This opens a menu with different types of transactions you can create. Under the Customers or Sales section in that menu, choose Sales Receipt. A sales receipt is perfect for restaurant daily sales because it assumes you've already received the money on the same day, which matches how most restaurant sales work. At the top of the sales receipt, you'll see a field labeled Customer. Click into that field and select the customer you use for daily summaries, often called daily sales. If you don't already have a customer by that name, you can create one once and reuse it every day. Using a generic customer like this keeps all of your daily totals in one place and avoids cluttering your customer list with individual guests. Next, move down to the Product or Service section. Here's where you break out your different types of sales. Add food sales as one line item, then add liquor sales as another, followed by sales tax, and finally, tips. For each line, enter the total amount for that category from your point of sale or end of day report. This breakdown is important because it lets you see exactly how much you made from food versus liquor, how much tax you collected, and how much you owe in tips. Before you save, look for the Deposit To field, usually on the right side of the form. From the drop-down menu, choose Payments to Deposit. This step is crucial. By using Payments to Deposit, you can later match this daily sales receipt to the actual deposits that show up in your bank feed, keeping your reconciliation process smooth and accurate. Once you've confirmed the date, the amounts, and the deposit account, click Save and Close. Your daily restaurant sales are now recorded properly in QuickBooks Online, and you're ready to repeat this same process for each business day.